How much should you actually spend on a CPU cooler for your i9-9900K? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE. The Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE caught my eye with its sleek design and budget-friendly price of just $34.90. If you want solid cooling performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. So why is this cooler a great choice for your i9-9900K? This means it can effectively dissipate heat, keeping your CPU cool during intense gaming or heavy workloads. With a noise level of just 25.6 dB, you won't even notice it's there, making it perfect for quiet builds. With a rating of 4.7 stars from over 3,000 reviews, it's evident that many users are pleased with its performance. Now, some people complained about its size, saying it might not fit in smaller cases. Here's the thing though, as long as you have the right case dimensions, this cooler performs exceptionally well without any major drawbacks. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and looking for reliable cooling. Skip this one if your case is particularly cramped. For its price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the size of the Thermalright bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black. Next up is the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black, priced at $25.99. This cooler is a classic for a reason, and if you're looking for reliable performance at a great price, this is definitely worth considering. That means it adapts to your CPU's temperature, providing optimal cooling when you need it most. The 42 CFM airflow and its low noise levels make it suitable for both gaming and office environments. Plus, installation is straightforward thanks to its simplified brackets, making it compatible with a variety of Intel and AMD sockets. With over 8,100 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, it's clear that this cooler has stood the test of time. Now, some users did mention that it could be a bit loud at max RPM. Here's the thing though, for most users, the balance between performance and noise is quite acceptable, especially for the price. This cooler is perfect for you if you need a reliable option without spending too much. Skip this one if you need high-end, silent cooling. For the price, it's hard to argue against its value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for top-tier performance. Product number 3, Noctua NH-D15 Chromax Black. Now let's talk about the Noctua NH-D15 Chromax Black, priced at $124.95. This cooler is often regarded as the gold standard in air cooling, and if you're serious about your performance, this is worth every penny. It's designed to keep your i9-9900K cool even under heavy loads, making it ideal for overclockers. The award-winning NF-A15140mm fans operate quietly, offering full cooling when needed while remaining whisper quiet during lighter tasks. Plus, it comes with high-end thermal paste and a reliable mounting system, making installation a breeze. But here's the thing, if you truly care about performance and want the best cooling, the investment pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're an enthusiast or overclocker looking for top-tier performance. Skip this one if you're on a strict budget. It's a premium investment, but worth it for serious users. Alright, if the price of the Noctua was a concern, the next cooler could be a great alternative. Product number 4, Corsair Nautilus 360 RS. Next up is the Corsair Nautilus 360 RS, priced at $99.99. This all-in-one liquid cooler brings a different approach to cooling, and if you're considering a sleek, efficient option, this could be your pick. The Nautilus features a 360mm radiator and 3 RS-120A RGB fans that create strong airflow and high static pressure. The convex cold plate ensures maximum contact with your CPU, which is crucial for effective heat transfer. It also comes with daisy-chained connections, making cable management a breeze, and it's compatible with a variety of Intel and AMD sockets. With a 4.7-star rating and over 1,800 reviews, it's a solid choice for liquid cooling. Now, some users reported installation challenges, particularly with larger cases. But here's the thing, if you have the right setup, this cooler can be a fantastic addition to your build. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and efficient liquid cooling solution. Skip this one if you prefer air cooling or have a smaller case. For what you get, it's definitely worth the investment. Now, if you want something with even more features, the next one might really catch your eye. Product number 5, Corsair Titan 360 RX. Finally, we have the Corsair Titan 360 RX, priced at $194.99. This cooler is for those who want the ultimate in performance and aesthetics, and it really does deliver. The Titan features a brilliant 360 AIO design with a flow drive cooling engine that ensures efficient cooling. The 3RX120 RGB fans are designed for high airflow and low noise, and the ICUE Link technology simplifies the connection of components. With a 4.6-star rating and over 1,100 reviews, it's a premium option for serious builders. Now, a common complaint is the higher price tag, which can deter budget-conscious buyers. But here's the thing, if you're building a high-end rig and want both performance and style, it's a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you want top-tier cooling with a touch of flair. Skip this one if you're looking for something budget-friendly. It's a premium product with premium performance and features. So there you have it, 5 amazing CPU coolers for your i9-9900K. The Thermalright Peerless Assassin offers great value, while the Cooler Master Hyper 212 is a classic choice. The Noctua NH-D15 is a powerhouse, and the Corsair Nautilus gives you sleek liquid cooling. Finally, the Corsair Titan 360 RX combines performance with style. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your needs best.